Sometimes we chase our dreams by waking up early, going out before the dawn breaks, facing the traffic to be on time. Working hard to deliver before the deadline. And even neglecting our proper meals. Yet, most of the times, we don't really know what we are chasing. Working long hours and need a rest? Turn your life around and build your wealth by owning a vacation home now. The only freehold, fully furnished serviced suites, and direct access to Pantai Cenang Beach in Langkawi. Wake up to the soothing sounds of sea waves and the breathtaking view of the Andaman Sea from only 1,466 ringgit a month. With over 3 million visitors entering Langkawi every year, you can rent out your unit easily, anytime, anywhere, and earn as high as 6,600 ringgit per month. Too busy to manage the property? We have a group of professionals to help all year long. Just sit back, relax, enjoy the hassle-free management, and spend more quality time with your family. What are you waiting for? Make an appointment with us and visit our showroom today.